Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know who you'd like to see drawn. Today we're going to draw Micah Parsons, Dallas Cowboys, outside linebacker, defensive end, powerhouse. Micah Parsons played college football at Penn State, won linebacker of the year, defensive MVP in the Cotton Bowl, first round draft pick, and defensive rookie of the year in 2021. So let's get started. Find the center of your page up and down, center of your page across. We'll draw Micah Parsons' head right here, up on the upper side of the page. Micah Parsons, we'll start with the left jaw. So bring it down to a chin. Bring it up and up. So Micah Parsons has kind of a wider face here. We'll do an ear on that side, an ear on that side, bulge out for the head, bulge out for the side of the head, and we'll connect that now. Go up and down to connect. So you can see there's like a wider, kind of a wider face structure. Micah Parsons is a muscular linebacker, defensive guy, so a wide neck. There's one side of the neck, another side of the neck. Bring it down to a point, bring it up, and connect. All right, let's draw the shoulder pads. One shoulder pad, two shoulder pads. Bring that down, bring that shoulder pad down to a waist, cross, and connect to the shoulder pad area. All right, so let's do down, down, and across. Boop. That's a belly button. So sometimes I notice Micah Parsons, his jersey is kind of a mid jersey, showing his belly button sometimes. So here's some legs, come down, up, down, and connect to the waist. Down, down, connect for the leg, down, down, connect for the other leg. We'll do some big cleats, some big shoes over here. We do our oversized shoes, kind of cartoon format. So here's the tongue of the shoe, the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces on that side. Bring the shoe out to the edge, down, straight across, stop at the ankle, and connect. Same thing on this side. Bring that ankle down, come straight across, up, and connect to the shoelace. All right, so we have the outline starting to take shape for Micah Parsons. Let's bring this arm down. So we got the shoulder. Here's maybe a bicep muscle. A bicep muscle on that side. Bicep is like your big muscle when you flex your muscles. It's the muscle that pops up. So another one over here. Another one on this side. Elbow, elbow, down, down. We kind of stop at the waist, bulge out and into the wrist, bulge out and into the wrist. And this is Micah Parsons' fist here. Micah Parsons' fist, kind of showing he's ready to tackle, he's ready to take on anyone in the NFL right here. So we're gonna make him wearing gloves right here. There's his thumb maybe. All right, cool. So there's the outline. Let's do the face up here. So we'll do circles or ovals for the eyes on that side. Another one over here. Once again, this is a cartoon, so we're just having fun. Do a circle on the inside, circle on that side, That's going to stay white. Those are the highlights. A smaller circle on that side of the eye. Smaller circle there. A little arch. A little arch. We're going to color this area in. Our dark marker. Fill in the eye with your dark marker here. Leaving those highlights white for now. This side as well. Now I like to quickly get a light blue marker, kind of a baby blue, fill in this area with a blue. This to me represents the reflection of the stadium lights off the eyes. Also, it just adds a little color, makes it look fun. So get your dark marker again. Big arch over the eye, big arch over the eye for the bottom of the eyebrow. Go up and in, connect to the point, connect to the point. And now color that in. Kind of a thick eyebrow. Okay. Next we're going to do the nostrils, the nose. So we're going to do arch, arch, and I'm going to make it kind of a sideways raindrop. Arch around that nose, arch around that nose. And let's do the mouth. Start up, down, up, down. Alrighty, he's got this little beard, little whisker. He's got a big beard, so let's scribble in this chin beard right here. Kind of goes up to the mouth. The scribbling makes it look kind of like a beard, kind of hasn't been shaven, and that's what Micah Parsons has. So to start from the ear, sideburns, scribble some whiskers down to that chin. Start from the ear, scribble some whiskers, kind of this beard, scribble, scribble, down. See how that works? Let's do the hair. So we're going to color it in, kind of goes up, follows the arch of the head, and down. Okay. We'll fill this in on the fast forward, but as you can see, this will be Micah Parsons' hair. Alrighty, so for the upper lip is typically darker than the bottom lip because there's shadow. So we'll get a darker brown for the upper lip, and then kind of a flesh pink, or a not pink, kind of this light peach color for the bottom lip. Fill that in. Okay. And then now we're gonna get our dark blue Cowboys color. A couple of stripes on the side here. Comes over, 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 connect. Over, over, connect. Another one, over, over, and connect. We'll fill these in blue. Those are like the blue stripes. Now we'll do the number 11 here. Over, angle down, straight down, across. Down, across, down, over, up, and connect. There's the one. Do it again. Angle down. Basically, we're just trying to match this one for the number 11. All right, and there's some stripes on the pants. Blue on the outside, white on the inside, blue, blue. Okay. All right, we've blocked it in. We got Micah Parsons blocked in perfectly. He's looking good. You know what? Well, let's do this. I've noticed that Micah Parsons sometimes wears a gold chain around his neck, so I'm going to get kind of a gold yellow color. We'll do some circles. Just draw some circles in here. Make it look like our cartoon Micah Parsons is wearing a gold chain around his neck. Looking good. Awesome. Okay. Looking good. Here we go. So we are going to fast forward, but here's what we'll do. We'll get a flesh color, kind of a light brown flesh color. Leave the jersey white. Color the 11 in with blue, stripes in with blue, gray pants, white shoes, blue stripe, flesh color arms, and blue color gloves. So here we go. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with your friends. We would love more subscribers, so please share this on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok. We appreciate you guys drawing with us. Check out our Patreon page, and all of the links to our markers and items we use to draw are in the description below. Check those out. Fast forward now.